Full of fruity flavours, this apricot and coconut slice is our take on the classic sweet treat. Prepare the base by beating the butter and sugar in a bowl with an electric mixer until pale and creamy. Add an egg and beat until combined. Then add in the combined flour and beat until just combined. Pour the mixture into the baking paper-lined pan and spread evenly over the base. Pop in a 180 degrees Celsius preheated oven for 20 minutes, or until pale and golden. Spoon the jam over the hot base and spread evenly to coat. Next, place the extra sugar and the remaining eggs in a large bowl and whisk to combine. Add the coconut and stir until well combined. The egg mixture should coat all the coconut, then spread it evenly over the jam. Return to the oven for a further 25 to 30 minutes or until light and golden. Set the slice aside in the pan for 15 minutes to cool before transferring to a clean work surface to cool completely. To serve, cut the slice into pieces and arrange it on a serving platter. Make this apricot jam coconut slice for a tea time treat. It's sure to be a winner.